Alright guys, I'm back. I'm here with Gracie. We're about to go down south to have a bit of a barbecue with a few of my mates, a few of my brothers, and essentially the goal for the channel is I'm going to be, at the moment, traveling around South Australia, doing as many cool activities and traveling to all the awesome places that I can in this state while I still can. Once the borders get open, then I'll probably do more interstate stuff. Tomorrow, got some pretty cool things organised. Keep watching and I'll see you then.
So we're down here at our brother's Clancy's place. Having a barbie, yeah, with the boys, with the dogs, having a few beers, just having a chill on. Have a chill on Scotty.
Yeah, so my movie's coming out this week.
This movie's called Scotty Does Know.
He does know.
One of the coolest things about living in South Australia is the beaches. They're amazing. In summer, they're unreal, especially this beach right now, Sellicks Beach. It's actually one of the only beaches you can drive onto. Obviously, the views are amazing as well. So we'd actually planned today to go and play some golf, but the weather definitely not the greatest today. It was raining a bit before. So instead, we're gonna go get a beer at a place called Hahndorf. It's classified as Australia's oldest living German settlement, and it's really cool. Right now, we're actually stopped just near a vineyard. Let's go have a look. First meal back, first beer. Get into it. That's good. So I hope you enjoyed just a few of the beautiful spots in Adelaide. If you want to see more amazing places and awesome activities to do in currently South Australia, make sure you subscribe and I'll see you next week.